Hi folks, I'm Erin Williams with Erin's Faces, and today we are talking about bronzer. So I'm going to use our Sun-Kissed Mineral Bronzer, a fluffy powder brush, and this is bronzer for people who don't really care about bronzer, but feel like they want to look a little warmed up. Super simple, okay? I'm just wiping off my mirror. Okay, so the key is two things. If you want it to look sort of natural, you want to use a matte bronzer and you want to use a fluffy brush that has nothing on it, okay? So I'm going to go into the bronzer, pick up a little bit, not a lot. Then I'm going to kind of knock a little bit off. So the number 3 is your friend. If you've heard you put bronzer on in a 3, I'm a fan of that. So, but I do it a little different. Normally if you're starting the number 3, you start at the top and you're going to draw it here and here. So that's how we're going to do it. However, I'm a fan of starting in the middle because you have the most product on your brush when you first dip it into your powder, right? So we don't want a lot of powder up here because it looks crazy. So we're just gonna go here and I'm gonna follow this line. I'm trying to show you my ear, top of my ear. You can feel, you can see it, this bone. I don't know what it's called, but it's in your face and that's what we're going with, okay? So you're gonna follow this bone to here and that's the middle of your 3, okay? So we're gonna start there. Just a little bit, boop, 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 boop. And I'm just gonna kind of carve that out, okay? It's a little darker on this side, so maybe, okay, maybe I'll start over here. We'll start over here because the light's better. So I'm coming in here in a hammock shape, okay? This is not a straight line across. So hammock shape, right? I'm kind of overdoing it so you can, whoo, I really overdid it, but it's okay because we'll fix it. So you're gonna do that over here. Okay, then you're gonna wipe off the excess and you're gonna come up and you're gonna then do the number 3. So what that's doing is it's pulling it into the periphery of your face and it's warming up the whole thing. So the outside is all warm. Hi Jasper, you want some bronzer? The outside is all warm and then the focus shifts to the center because whatever is darker is going to recede and fall back a bit and whatever is lighter is going to come forward. Okay, so we're gonna take it, come up here, do the number 3. Now, if you are needing to soften that, you can just do swirlies here. Hi. Daniel just got in from riding his motorcycle. He's very excited. I picked up a little more pigment. I do tend to travel it all the way across here. That's me, but you don't have to do that. You can just stick with the number 3. Heaviest application is here. Wipe your brush off again on a Kleenex or on your compact, and then finish the number 3. That's it. I'm not a fan of doing your nose because I think it makes you look dirty, or your chin for the same reason. You could go underneath here if you wanted to like do some contour stuff, but if you're just trying to warm up your face, the end. But start in the middle and then do it. Okay? You can do it. Bye.